Alright, here's a 8 plus crackback glass. It does turn on when it's plugged into the low power source. If I let it charge, I can show you. Alright, so when it's plugged in, these are my bottom screws right here. It's plugged in, the power button's pressed, it turns on to the low power screen, so it got some type of capability to power on. Because the corrosion on the inside, it's the corrosion right here. Corrosion on the inside. The charging port and or the battery is bad. About to test that theory out. I want to get my moving the covering. Just disassembling everything. I'm gonna take the battery off first. Just how bad the covering is. But below it, you see the battery has a corroded terminal. Not corroded terminal, but I don't really know for sure if it's corroded or not. It's not really too much corrosion right there. But still, test the charging port in the battery. Take the next plate off for the LCD. I mean, not the LCD camera connector. Yeah, bro. Bada bing, bada boom. Get up. This thing is all type water damage, but might just need a charging port and I am not going to mess with this screen anymore. It needs to be messed with, actually. Look how bad the corrosion is. It look like icicles. The corrosion's been so bad on here. But I won't mess with it. The charging port connection for the 8 is right here. Pop that up. I'm going to test a charging port. Alright, got a charging port right here for 8 plus. I could do, not sure. Orientation for it would be like that, so yeah. Alright, got the charging port plugged in. Plug the screen in. Just diagnosing that real quick. Hopefully it's just the charging port. Got the phone turns on automatically. I plug it into the charging port. That tells me charging port is the faulty spot. Another thing should do is test the continuity. The voltage, actually not the continuity, the voltage of the device. It should read about 3.5. what's the battery say? 3.8 amps. I mean, 3.8 volts. Anything less, like significantly less, would be an issue. It's a regular voltage, so just ground to ground. Saying 3.6. So try to turn it on without the battery plugged in. What it should do is like turn on to the So maybe the charging port. That's kind of good news for us. It's kind of good news. I'm gonna let it sit. It's a USB charger, USB-C charger for like a half hour. Should be fine. Okay. Battery charges, then that's. I'm gonna sell this bitch just like, oh yeah, it is. Fill it in some alcohol and shit. Alright, but I'll give an update in like 15 minutes with that. You know, if I never learn anything in life, it would be that nothing ever bad happens when you play around and put the wrong battery into the wrong phone. So that's what I'm gonna do today. But yeah, plug the battery in, bada bing, bada boom. Hopefully, it turns on to like a same stuff. It's a bad battery, that's all. That's all it was. Now I gotta find test the speakers and stuff. It's gonna be a funny thing, because I don't think the speakers are gonna work. And the phone is not booting. It's an iPhone 8. I had to turn it on probably in like more than maybe a month. But yeah, it's moving kind of slow. Not kind of real slow. Scared, man. I'm scared. Fingers crossed. But yeah, it's definitely attempting to boot right now. As you can see. If it doesn't boot, I'll kind of be more surprised. You know what? I got an idea. Oh shit. I got it to boot. It's bad battery. Let's end this video right here. Let's see if the baseband works. On button works. Let me see. That's a password on it, so I'll have to. I'll handle that, but yeah, it's pretty good. Bad battery.